Hi there, I'm Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am a full-time RVer with an itty-bitty studio where I make mini albums and other crafty items. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and we'll get into the Smash Our Stash 2021 collaboration. This collab is hosted by Beth of Bourbon Creek Crafts and Teresa from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. This is a monthly collab where you use items from your stash. This month the theme is washi tape. So here's my washi tape collection. It really is not a huge washi tape collection. You know, aside from what I use with my die cut machine and these glitters, I don't have too much. But I decided I was going to use the gold, and then I had some that would go really good with Valentine's Day. So let me show you the 10 things I made with washi. So the first thing I'm going to show you that I use washi tape on are these paper clips. And I just made washi tape flags. To be honest, it sort of was anticlimactic. I was a little let down. They're okay. They're not my favorite project. But they did use up washi tape, and I will never lose a paper clip. The second thing I used washi tape on were these tabs. I make mini albums, and a lot of times I use tabs for some of the hidden pocket pages, and I'm going to be making some Valentine's ones, so these will be fun to use. So that was a hit. I like these. The third thing I made with washi tape were these little flags. I just put the washi tape on white cardstock because, you know, white really makes them pop. Now I'll probably use those on some pages in the mini albums, or I might embellish them even further. I'm not sure yet. But that's the third thing I used washi tape for. Alright, number 4 and number 5. Number 4 are the binder clips. I had a gold Sharpie, and it was a paint marker actually, and I put gold on it, and then I put the washi tape on that. It's okay, but you know what? It's a lot of work for not a lot of bang for your buck. And I also painted this clothespin with the gold marker and then put washi on it. I'm sorry about the glare. It's okay. Not nuts about it. It's okay. And the sixth thing I made with washi tape is these little bookmarks. Beth of Bourbon Creek Crafts had made these. I will try to find it. It might have been a year ago. But she had a genius idea, and she uses this to put papers together when she sends out her order. And so I've been doing that. I haven't used washi tape, but why not? I did put them on a large, like a 2-inch double-sided tape, so they will stick, because there is nothing worse than having tape stick to stuff that you don't want it to stick to. But anyhow, very cute little way to hold papers together when you're sending out an order. So that is the sixth thing I used washi tape for. The next thing I used washi tape for was in my bullet journal. February was a great month to use these fun heart washi tapes. So that's what I used the washi tape for. Sad thing is, I don't have anything fun for St. Patrick's Day for March. So am I going to have to go buy more? The ninth thing I used washi tape for was to decorate these envelopes. So that just has a strip of the gold, and that's pretty nice. You put the address on there, and it looks really classy. Went a little crazy with the Valentine's Day, but I will be sending out a lot of Valentine's Day cards. You still could put the address and the stamp there. Even more crazy, and by the way, I will put my Pinterest link because I found all of these ideas on Pinterest. So if you want to go check out my boards and see the other ideas. And that one's got an address. I did block out the street address, but Yeah, my mom's going to be happy to get that. So that is the 9th thing that I use washi tape for. And the 10th thing I used washi tape on was this Altoid tin. It holds, I shouldn't have used gold, but I did. It holds the tools that I use when I need to make holes in things that I can't use my Wii or Memory Keeper's hole punch. This screws on. This is actually 4 sheets of chipboard. It has a magnet on the back, and that's why it stays here. You put the piece of paper, you're going to make a hole in here, you hammer it, and then you put the eyelet in, you use this tool. It goes in there, and then it separates the tines on the eyelet, and it stays in. But anyhow, I use it quite often when I'm making traveler's notebooks, and now it's pretty. It's gold and sparkly and lots of fun. So that is the 10th thing I used with washi tape. I hope you enjoyed this month's episode of Smash Our Stash. As you go down and check the list of collaborators, don't forget to hit that like button. We will see you again next month with a new edition of Smash Our Stash. Thanks for watching.